Hello guys and welcome back to the Backyard Pro. Today is the next day that we are going to be working on the project D21, and in today's episode we are going to be working on the back bumper that we just got and the back windshield. So stay tuned. Yesterday I went to pick up this bumper. It's actually the original bumper that the previous owner had, and he removed. I don't know why, but it has a slight dent on this side, but I don't think it's that noticeable. So I'm actually just trying to cover the big hole that we have on the back, because all you see is basically the big block. So we're gonna install the back bumper right now, as well as the back window. If you guys remember, I showed you guys all the crack that the first generation of these little trucks, I would say, is like on the 80s. This one is an 86. They all had this seal on the end, and they all break right on the corner. But we got the new generation, which is the 90s. Probably like I believe this one is like a 92 or 94. But the seal is completely different, and it's basically gonna cover the whole thing all the way around. It's in better condition, and hopefully we don't have any more leaks whenever we wash it or whenever it rains. Let's get started with the bumper, and then we can continue with the windshield on the back. And that should be enough. Now you guys can see the bumper. It has a little dent on this side, but I think it's not as bad as I don't know. I don't mind. It's an old truck. It's a 37-year-old truck, so I don't really mind that little dent there. So yeah, I mean, we got a bumper, and this little truck is starting to look a little by little more complete. We're gonna continue with the window and try to remove that one and see how it goes. Let's give it a try. Let me see. Try to rock it a little bit. Wait. Okay, it's coming. Be careful with your fingers. See, be careful. Woohoo! We got a window off. Yeah.
How did it feel that you had the camera?
Good.
I want to have it on.
You want to have the camera on?
Yeah.
Why?
Because.
Right now. Right now when we almost finish. I've seen all these videos on YouTube about very much put a string just to kind of like pull out the seal. So we are gonna try to put I think I saw a guy putting it right in the middle, like from here.
Hey, puppy.
What?
It feels yellow.
It feels yellow?
Yeah.
Feels yellow or looks yellow?
It looks yellow. Ooh, I want to go.
Okay, pull it a little bit that side. Hold on. Okay, wait. We're gonna have to put it like here in the group. You have it in there already? Okay, yeah, you're good. Woohoo! Okay, let me see this one. It's gonna go all the way around here.
What if it falls?
Huh?
What if it falls?
No, not to fall with it. We need to put it. Alright, I think that should be enough. And this string should be like on the inside. So let's put it down. Ooh. Okay. Try to put it. Okay. You're gonna hold these, but don't pull them. Just hold them there. Okay, mommy. What you're gonna do is you're gonna try to pull the string just a little bit. This string. Wait, just go más acá, agárralo de acá. From there. Start pulling it little by little. No, towards the windshield like that. Yeah, like that. Pull it. Pulling it. Yeah, okay. Keep going. As it gets larger, just keep grabbing it more closer to the window. Grab it from the close to the window. Close to the window. Keep pulling it. No, over here. Grab it from here. There. Just grab it and keep pulling it. Go. Yeah, just if the string gets longer, just try to get it and make it shorter. Just pull it straight towards the truck. Keep pulling it. Keep pulling it. Keep pulling it. Keep going. Keep going. Keep going. Over here. Grab it from here. Yeah, keep grabbing it from there. Keep going. 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 Wait. Okay.
That's hard.
It is hard. Okay, all these seals already there. That's good.
It was getting a little hard when I went right here.
I know.
Papi, dude, are you sure these windows open?
Yes.
Because why is it like this?
Because I want them closed right now.
That's how it opens?
Uh-huh.
When do we take off the string?
I know, see? I'm taking it out. And the seal is coming towards us, which is good. That's exactly what we want. This is working. Good. It's working. Okay. We want this seal in the inside. Good.
Did I hold this?
No. Just leave that one in there, mommy. Okay.
Why do you have a cut in your hand?
Because I cut myself.
Did it hurt?
And I don't even know where.
Did it hurt?
Just a little bit. Hold on. I want to see
Every
it.
time you get hurt, it doesn't hurt?
It does hurt. I just don't concentrate on the pain, so it won't hurt more. Kind of like that.
It seems like there's a CM back up here.
Huh?
It seems like there's a CM back up here.
There's a seat.
Yeah. But when you put the seat like that, it isn't.
Mm-hmm.
You'll get your feet stuck.
Okay, let's keep going with this thing.
This one's not far. What's this?
What?
This.
It's a light.
Papi, when Canelo was here, he was working soy and then he ran to Sierra.
I know.
Canelo is really big.
It is big.
How come Sierra doesn't grow?
Because she is a female, I mean.
Oh. And she doesn't grow anymore?
She's smaller.
Oh. Than Canelo?
Uh-huh. Canelo is big because he has to protect her. Yeah, so he needs to be stronger. Look at him. Okay. We're almost there. Keep going. Pulling up the seal.
I'm still holding this.
Okay.
Can I let it go?
Jesus Christ. No, yeah, no, that one, yeah, you can let it go. We don't need it. Yes. Okay. Pulling the seal. Oh, yeah, there you go. There's the knot.
Are you sure it's not gonna fall when you're in here?
No. What?
Can you give me the yellow folder from the black car?
Is there a yellow fork in the cart?
No, folder.
Oh, folder. Hold on. Let me see. Yeah. It's closed. Tell mommy to open it. I want this yellow folder for her homework. Okay. Canelo? No.
I can't pull
Okay.
it. I only pull a little.
Okay. There you go. This thing is.
Puppy, this is a little open.
Where?
It was open from here. Oh!
What?
That's how you open
See, we're
it.
almost done. Okay.
Puppy, I want to hold I want to have
wait.
the camera.
You want to hold the camera?
It's getting easier.
See, we're done. We got a new window.
Why did you want to
Now
take
you
out the other
can
one?
open the little windows here. Look at. See?
It's easy?
Mm-hmm.
That's why you got a new one?
Yeah. And that's how you put the seal on a D21. Well, not actually the seal, but the whole window. But basically how to work out the seal. And this thing is gonna be way better on this little truck now. So I'm actually really happy with the results. Yep. I guess we're not gonna have that wind coming in from the outside inside the cabin. And that's pretty much how you put the back window on a Nissan D21. Thanks to my helper here, that she was helping me. Say hi to the camera. We accomplished putting the window on the D21. This is gonna be it for today's video. Please hit the like button and subscribe. You guys like what you see. And don't forget that we're gonna keep having some videos of this Nissan D21 project. So stay tuned, more videos to come. Thank you. Can record. This is what you're seeing.
That's what I'm seeing.
Yeah, you go inside and record something.
I could go inside and record something?